Hello friends, my name is JASNOOR Singh and today I am here to present a presentation on analyze project cost through calculating and comparing gross floor area to wall ratios and elemental cost. So these are the topics I am going to cover, like about project introduction, importance of preliminary cost, cost per unit estimation method, preliminary estimation, applying cost per unit, cost per meter square estimation method, and conclusion. Like here's an introduction. Like in order for a building project to be financial, viable, and successful, it is important to make a correct estimates early or in the planning phase. Like key primary cost planning methods will be discussed in this talk, and along with their values and uses. We will talk about the cost per unit, way of estimating, and show how to use it correctly for making your first project budget. Like we will also talk about the cost per square meter estimate method, including how to figure it out and how to use it for early cost planning. Project managers and partners can make smart choices, keep budgets in their mind and in check, and lower financial risk if they understand and use these methods. So this is the specification about the project we did in previous reports. I work on a library department extension which is located in Delhi, India, and we work through a lump sum contract, and this is our total amount allocated for the budget. So cost per unit meter square is 6,250, which we obtained from a cost builder QS in New Zealand, and this is our tender range, and our total gross floor area is 1,560 square meter. So here is importance of preliminary cost planning method. Like preliminary cost planning is a crucial aspect of project management, particularly in the construction and engineering industries. This method involves estimating the overall cost of a project during its early stages, which helps stakeholders make informed decisions and ensure that the project is financially viable for significant resources are committed. And here are several reasons why preliminary cost planning is important. Like first one is feasibility assessment. Like it's very important that preliminary cost planning helps assess whether a project is financially viable or not. By estimating cost in the early phases, stakeholders can determine if the project should proceed or be modified or be abandoned. Like another one is risk management. Like it helps to identify potential risks associated with the project. Early cost estimates can highlight potential financial risks and uncertainties, enabling the project team to develop strategies to mitigate them. And another one is resource allocation. Like efficient use of resources. Knowing the preliminary costs helps in allocating resources more efficiently and ensuring that the project has the necessary funds available, materials and labor at different stages. And the other one is stakeholder communication. Like clear and early cost estimates helps in communicating the financial aspects of the project to stakeholders, aiding informed decision making. It enhances transparency and trust between project managers, clients, and investors by providing a clear picture of expected cost. And the last one is design and scope adjustments. Like preliminary cost planning assists in defining the project scope by aligning it with the budget. If initial estimates exceeded the available budget, adjustments can be made to mitigate the future problems which can be had during the project. It is cost per unit estimation method. Like the cost per unit estimation method is a straightforward approach to project cost estimation, where the cost of a single unit of output is calculated and then multiplied by the total number of units needed. Like firstly we have to identify the unit of measure, which is in meters. Like in early planning tool, it is very useful when project details are limited. This is the best method to use, and the calculation formula is equal to total cost is equal to cost per unit into total number of units, and it's a very efficient way, like quick budget assessments and cost comparisons across projects can be helpful. And like cost per unit estimation method is a valuable tool for project managers to quickly and efficiently estimate the project cost. By understanding its applications and limitations, you can ensure more accurate and reliable project budgeting and planning, so that the project will be successful. And another one is cost per meter square estimation method. Like the cost per square meter estimation method is used to estimate the total cost of a project by determining the cost to construct or develop a single square meter of area, and then multiplying by the total area in square meters. And the formula to calculate cost per meter square estimation is total project cost is equal to cost per meter square into total area meter square. Like there are few advantages, like it's easy to understand, it's a straightforward method that is simple to explain and apply. Like quick calculations can be made. It allows for rapid estimation of project cost and useful in early planning stages. Like the cost per square estimation method provides a standardized cost metric that can be used to compare different projects or evaluate different design options. It also helps in efficient allocation of resources by providing a clear cost framework based on the area. Preliminary estimation by cost per meter square. Preliminary estimation by cost per square meter is a valuable method for quickly estimating the initial budget of a construction project. This approach involves using historical data or industry standards to determine an average cost per square meter for a specific type of construction or renovation project. Like to determine the total floor area, like we have to measure the area, project area in square meters, and we can estimate the cost of meter square from the historical data or standards. Like here we get this amount from the cubic cost builder in New Zealand. And to calculate the total cost, this is the formula: cost per meter square into total floor area. And we have this area for our last project, and we multiplied it by 6,250, and this is the amount we got. For the adjustment for specific factors, like we can consider local conditions, material prices, and labor rates as well. Like it also, like there are few advantages of this method as well, like speed. Like it allows for quick estimation of project cost during early planning stages, facilitating timely decision making. Like it assists in allocating resources and setting the priorities based on the estimated budget constraints. Like it highlights the potential cost, risk and uncertainties early in the project life cycle, enabling proactive risk management strategies. Like it also serves as a communication tool for discussing budget expectations with clients, investors, and project teams. So here at last on the conclusion, like primary cost planning is a crucial for a project's success in guiding decision making and resource allocation. The cost per unit estimation method simplifies budgeting by calculating cost per item or service, aiding in feasibility assessment and risk management. When applied in preliminary estimation, it provides quick insights into project viability. Like similarly, the cost per meter square estimation method offers efficiency in estimating construction cost based on area. Integrating these methods in preliminary estimation ensures a swift yet now informed budget projections, enabling stakeholders to assess project feasibility and make timely decisions, ultimately enhancing project outcomes and stakeholder satisfactions. So, thank you.